Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the session where I will be talking about the 10 most important books that you can refer for the preparation of your NABARD Grade A examination. Yes, in this video I will be talking about the 10 most important books and important topics that you can refer for the preparation of your one goal, one target, that is NABARD Grade A. Right, but before starting my video, I have a quick announcement to make that EduTap has launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook. This is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD as well as NABARD examination. Not only that, it also contains the decoded syllabus as well as PYQs, that are previous year questions that you can refer for the preparation of your NABARD Grade A. And also it is providing you the strategy as well as the resources to crack this NABARD Grade A examination, and that too for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can avail this information for free, and for that you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail all this information for yourself. Now with that, let's start our video. So first I would like to tell here that in phase 1 of the examination, 8 subjects are being tested in NABARD. Okay, they are as shown in the screen. And also in phase 2, if you are applying from the journalist post, then English, ESI and ARD is common. Okay, so today in this video I will be recommending you books for reasoning, computer knowledge, quants, decision making, ESI and ARD. Why not for GA and English? Because for English and GA we cannot concise ourselves to a particular book. We have to read newspaper, we have to read different other sources also, right? So today I will be talking about these subjects. So talking about, first of all, let's take reasoning. So for reasoning, you can refer to this book, that is A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by Dr. R.S. Agrawal. This is one of the very good book, and you can take it as a standard source. This book is enough for the preparation of your reasoning. And talking about the important topics that you have to prepare from this book is setting arrangement, alphanumeric series, coding, decoding, ranking and order, blood relation, puzzle, inequality, syllogism and directions. Now aspirants, these are the very important topic that you should prepare. Because why we are saying that? Because we have done the analysis and we have seen that number of questions asked from these topics are generally more as compared to the other topics. Okay, that is why ultimately they become our important topics. What you can do, you can pick this book and start preparing this topic first. Okay, prepare this topic first and then go for the rest. So that was about the reasoning. Now talking about quantitative aptitude. So for quantitative aptitude, you can refer to the Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Examination, again another book of R.S. Agrawal. So this is also one of the standard book for the preparation of your quants. And here is a list of important topics, that is number series, data interpretation, quadratic equation, simplification, word problem and percentage. So again, these are very important topics because number of questions from these topics, if you see the PYQs which we have provided in the guidebook also, you will see that number of questions, all the important topics that I am discussing here, the number of questions from these topics will be more as compared to the rest of the topics. Okay? So just prepare this topic very well. Now talking about computer awareness. So for the preparation of your computer awareness, you can refer to the Computer Awareness by Arihant. Okay, this is the enough source for your computer awareness preparation. As NABARD has not defined any syllabus for computer awareness, but still we have done the analysis for you and we have filtered out the important topics. So here's the list, and what are they? Computer awareness, hardware and memory, software and operating system, MS Office, database management and so on. So you can take the screenshot of this or you can download the PDF from the Telegram channel also. So this is the this is the list of important topics. So what you have to do, you have to pick this book and prepare these topics. You must prepare this topic. You cannot skip these topics because they are important for your exam point of view. Now talking about decision making. Okay, we know that only 10 marks is allotted to decision making and there is only 10 number marks, so 10 question being asked from this topic, this subject, sorry. But still you have to clear a minimum cutoff in decision making and you have to have a knowledge of this subject also. Okay, you cannot just ignore this subject. So for decision making, you can go for the Principle and Practice of Management by T.N. Chhabra. ठीक है, this is a good book for this subject. And here's the list of important topics that are basics of decision making, types of decision making model, decision making approaches, factor affecting decision making, और type of problems in decision making. ठीक है, so ये important topics है. You have to pick this book. You can just prepare this important topic. At least you will be prepared for your minimum cutoff. ठीक है, अगर आपने ये important topics पढ़ लिए तो. Now moving on to the ARD Static, we have covered the non-merit section. So ARD Static and ESI Static, I will be recommending books for these two, and ARD and ESI is your part of merit section. Sorry, ठीक है, तो merit section की they are the part of merit section, so they are important for us, and we know that syllabus of ARD is very vast. ठीक है, so how to cover, from where to cover, we have come up with these 4 books. So the very first is Fundamental of Agriculture. So to cover your fundamentals of agriculture, to cover your conceptual knowledge of basic agriculture, for covering your basic agriculture, you can refer to the Fundamental of Agriculture Part 1, Part 2 by Arun Katyan. Okay. Now in agriculture we have some allied subject. Okay, that is animal husbandry, agriculture engineering, fisheries. So from where to cover these, because आपको इस बुक में इन सब्जेक्ट का कंटेंट थोड़ा कम मिलेगा. ठीक है. So for animal husbandry, you can refer to the textbook of Animal Husbandry by G.C. Banerjee. Then for agriculture engineering, Elements of Agriculture Engineering by Jagdish Sir Sahay. Then Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture by ICAR. So these are the good source for covering your ARD Static, good and enough sources for covering your ARD Static. Now see, if you are covering your animal husbandry from this book and you are going for agriculture engineering for this and fisheries from this book, so in books में आपको एक page by page नहीं पढ़ना है. What you can do, you can pick this book, you can mark the important topics. Here you have to select the important topics by yourself. What you can do, you can take the help of PYQs and see, okay, from this topic number of questions are asked in PYQs. So you can just mark those important topics and just read those topics and you will be good to go. That is your enough preparation for your animal husbandry, agriculture engineering and fisheries. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है, पूरी बुक नहीं पढ़नी है. You have to just read the important topics. Now let me tell you about the some important topics, that chapters that you should prepare, because ये बहुत important है. Number of questions are asked from these topics and they are very important. Okay, we are again and again saying that these are very important topics because बहुत ज़्यादा questions इनसे पूछे जाते हैं. Now what are they? First is agronomy, farming system, soil and water conservation, plantation and horticulture crop, animal husbandry and poultry, fisheries and forestry. ठीक है, see, for animal husbandry you can refer to this, for fisheries you can refer to this book. ठीक है, so these are the important chapters I would say you must read, you must prepare. ठीक है, from for ARD Static. So that was about ARD Static. Talking about ESI Static. So for ESI is basically economics and social issues. So for economics part, you can refer to the Indian economy by Ramesh Singh. And for social issue, you can refer to the social problem in India by Ram Ahuja. ठीक है? So these are the 2 good source for your ESI. Talking about the important topics, so here is the list of important topics that are measurement of growth, balance of payment, inflation, monetary and fiscal policy, employment generation, poverty alleviation, rural banking and financial institute. ठीक है, so these are the important topic and you must prepare these topics from these books. ठीक है. So before closing my video, I have to add here that if you are someone who is going for referring to, if you are someone who is thinking that okay, I should refer this book or I should start reading from the books. So here are some pros and cons of reading from the book. So we are preparing for a competitive exam, right? And our study should be selective. ठीक है, अगर आप उनमें से हो that the someone who do not like to read from the screen, or someone who need some basic concept, who wanted to read from the basics, then good books is your good source. You can just easily go and refer these books. ठीक है, and if you are someone who do not like to read from the screen or online, right, so books आप पढ़ लो. You can just easily go for reading books. But if you are someone who is reading from book, then what you have to do, you have to select by yourself the important and non-important topics. ठीक है, you have to take call by yourself, you have to refer to the PYQs by yourself, and you have to see that okay, is this important for my exam point of view or not. ठीक है, the very first con is this. And see, if you are reading from the book, then you have a huge content. ठीक है, तो आपको पहले फिल्टर आउट करना पड़ेगा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. एंड समटाइम्स द डेटा इन द बुक्स आर आउटडेटेड, दे आर नॉट अपडेटेड, सो यू आर रीडिंग दैट आउटडेटेड डेटा. ठीक है, so here are some cons of reading books, but still if you love reading books you can just go and refer to these books and just prepare these important topics from this book, and that will be enough for the preparation of your NABARD Grade A. And also I have an announcement here that if you are someone who want a compiled content, ठीक है, आपको बुक्स पढ़ना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, you want a compiled content, आपको चाहिए कि बस एक जगह में मुझे सारा कंटेंट मिल जाए, मैं उसको पढ़ लूँ और मेरी प्रेपरेशन हो जाए, राइट. So for that we have launched 2 courses. First is our gold course and second is our silver course. If you want to prepare for your phase 1, phase 2 as well as interview, then you can take our gold course. And if you are someone who do not want to who has already prepared for the non-merit section, or who has done the banking examination before, or who know what is reasoning, English, quants, that is easy for you, then what you can do, you can take our silver pack, which will provide you the content for phase 2 as well as interview. Now here what will happen, if you will get the content of phase 2, that will be automatically helping you with GA, ESI and ARD of phase 1. ठीक है, so that is the advantage of silver course here. And also you can take our gold course if you want to prepare from starting and you want to prepare your quants, reasoning, English, everything. So you can take our gold course. So that was all, and if you want to take this course you can just check the link in the description box. So that was all for this video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have, do let me know in the comment box, and if you have any suggestion, do let me know. Okay, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to download the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on Telegram channel. ठीक है, so that was all. Thank you so much.